Hi everyone, today I am going to cook tandoori chicken dum biryani. Here is the ingredient: rice, chopped onion, cubes tomatoes, tomato ketchup, tomato paste, dry lemon, green peppers, ginger and garlic paste, sliced potatoes, mixed spices, 3 pieces whole chicken, salt, curry powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, electric steel tandoor, cooking pot for rice, tandoor cover, guard cover. This is lock and this is stand for chicken. I add already ginger garlic paste on the chicken for marination. Mix spices, tomato ketchup, tomato paste, dry lemon, sliced potatoes, cubes tomatoes, coriander powder, cumin powder, curry powder, salt, little bit oil. Mix it well, leave it half an hour. Now I am going to prepare for the rice. I put chopped onion on empty bowl. I add some green peppers. Mix spices, ginger and garlic paste, salt, cooking oil. Mix it well. Put mixer bottom of cooking pot. Add already washed rice. Pour water. On the top, put dry lemon and cubes tomatoes. Place rice bottom of inside the tandoor. Arrange chicken stand grill. Place potato slice. Place whole chicken on the potato. Fix the cover with cloth guard. Cover the tandoor. Lock tandoor cover tightly. Open the switch. Fix the temperature on 180. Fix the timer for 120 minutes. Hello friend, this tandoori chicken dum biryani recipe I am making in Kuwait. Here is the view of beautiful Kuwait. If you like my recipe, please subscribe my channel. Now we are going to continue our recipe. Now almost finished 2 hours. I make switch off. I am going to open tandoor. Look at here, wow! Already cooked the chicken. First remove the chicken. Remove the rice from tandoor. Put the rice on serving plate. Wow, it's so hot. Very nice the rice. Chicken already roasted. Put the chicken on the rice. Now ready to eat tandoori chicken dum biryani. Thank you for watching my video. Have a good day.